Good morning, everybody. Quick install today. We finally got a carbon fiber Gurney flap for the spoiler on my 2013 GT500. See this old weathered out lip that you see right here? We're going to end up replacing that with a new carbon fiber piece.